Assalamualaikum to all my lovely students. Your first period is English Star Alphabet book. So take out your English book. Now we are going to read and learn alphabet G. What is this? G. G for girl. G for girl. What is this? Tell me. बताइए क्या है? वेरी गुड. जी फॉर गर्ड. क्या है? जी फॉर गर्ड. मेरे साथ रिपीट करिए. जी फॉर गर्ल. जी फॉर गर्ल. जी फॉर गर्ल. जी फॉर ग्लास. जी फॉर ग्लास. व्हाट इज दिस? ग्लास. G for glass. G for grapes. What is this? Grapes. What are these? Gloves. What are these? Gloves. What are these? Gloves. G for gloves. G for glass. G for grapes. G for gloves. Let's repeat this again. G for girl. G for girl. G for girl. G for glass. G for grapes. G for gloves. G for glass. G for grapes. G for gloves. So आज आपको क्या याद करना है? Alphabet G. G for girl. Thank you.